Please make your way to the gate.
That's what they call beginner's luck. But the next match won't be so easy. Ready to rock? Just remember, try not to die.
For the second match in our spectacular semifinals, fresh from their first date with death, I present the Lucky Couple!
We're like unlucky for the rest of us!
Give it up once again for Cloud and Aaron!
Couple my ass! What the hell you two trying to pull? You assholes cost me a fortune!
Yeah! Their opponents, reapers in the scrapyard, thieves and killers through and through! Two criminal for common criminals, the worst of the worst! Ladies and gentlemen, check your pockets, because they may have already robbed you blind! The most contemptible sons of bitches this town of Walmarket, Bex Benefit!
It's those guys.
It's those guys! Look! Hot damn! They're fixing to feed you two your just desserts! Yeah! So open wide, because we're gonna serve up a heaping helping! Hey! What do just desserts taste like? Huh? Like justice! Like payback!
And who are these unscrupulous-looking gentlemen? It would seem that there are actually 8 members of Beck's Badasses.
Hey, that's cheating.
The only rule here is that there are no rules! Yeah! If Corneo says it's okay, you gotta suck it up!
The nod has granted his approval!
This is ridiculous.
The odds are overwhelmingly stacked against this. Could be a real bloodbath. So I implore you, ladies and gentlemen, don't look away, or you may miss the best part. The second match of the Corneo Cup semifinals begins now.
Get ready.
Pumpkin! I'm ready for it! You little Nobody likes what I got!
Okay.
Now hold this back!
Unbelievable! What the hell did I just see? It was 2 against, I don't remember how many exactly, but a lot. But somehow the winners of our match are... once again, Cloud and Aaron!
That kid's really something.
Well, of course he is. I did give him a massage, you know. His palm told quite the tale. He's cheated death more than a few times.
So have half the people in this town. Anyway, we're both still alive. Call it.
There you go again. One of these days, your luck is going to run out.
When I fall from grace, maybe I'll land in your parlor once more.
That is one mistake I will never repeat.
You gotta admit, Andy, the way he moves is totally amazing. Andy! Next up, the big finale.
Yeah,
I thought you'd be happier.
just thinking about what we might face next.
But you know, we've made it this far. I'm sure we can handle anything they throw at us.
The final match will begin shortly.
Man, you proved me wrong.
Please
You guys are
make
pretty
your way
good.
to the gate.
It's the final match. You good to go? I've got a lot of money riding on you two. Win it for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time together is almost over.
Tonight's thrilling Corneo Cup, filled with unprecedented upsets and drama, has only one match to go!
We knew. We're just as disappointed as you are. But ladies and gentlemen, all good things must come to an end. So let's celebrate by getting so damn loud, they'll hear us up on the plane!
Yeah! Come on! Once more, the sweethearts who've surprised us with upset after spectacular upset. The power couple with the boundless love for bloodshed. The champions of Madam M, Cloud and Eric!
Yeah! Come on now! Come on! You can do better than that! And now, five-time winners of the Corneo Cup! Murder machines with countless kills to their name!
Along with a handful of maimings,
The deathly duo that takes out the trash with a vengeance!
the Electric Executioners, Chocobo Sam's champions, Cuddy and Sleepy!
Come on now!
Robots?
More like Shinra armor.
More like cheating.
Who will walk away with the 1 million guild prize?
Get ready for a fight guaranteed to go down in history!
The final match of the Corneo Cup begins now!
Here it comes!
Let's finish this.
One more shot! Get him! This one's for you!
That's that.
One more shot!
Never! I can't believe it! And the winners of the Corneo Cup, the deadly and dynamic duo, Cloud and Eric!
My condolences. Oh, you're taking this rather well. I was looking forward to a little temper tantrum.
When you bet it all on a toss, sometimes you get burned by Lady Luck. Every coin has two sides.
You're right, of course, even if they are both the same.
Later.
And now, I believe I have a prize to collect.
Sorry, the madam will have to wait. The Don's demanding that we tack on one more match, it seems.
What?
If they win out, then you get paid in full.
Now hold on just a goddamn minute.
His call, not mine.
Now that that's over, we can go save Tifa.
So we'll head back to Madam M's, get you changed, and then it's off to Corneo's.
Right.
Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you still have one fight left.
What do you mean?
The crowd loved your show a little too much. People were placing hefty bets, much heftier than you can possibly imagine. Corneo's going to milk this for as much as he can.
Meaning what?
You face and defeat Corneo's fighter of choice, and only then will you be declared winners of the tournament.
Hey, that wasn't the deal.
Don't you think I know that? Ah! You greedy bastard! Scum-sucking piece of shit-festering asshole! But that's the way it is. Corneo's the one who makes the rules around here. But if you win this match, Corneo will have to accept your victory. And the crowd will make sure he does.
So this is the last one?
I sure hope so.
I've been working here a long time, but this has never happened before. It's gonna be one hell of a match.
Well then, you sure fixed my wagon.
Watching you guys fight gave me goosebumps. Hope your next match is even better than the last. Ready to kick ass? It's not even about the money anymore, man. I just want you guys to win it all. Show them what you got.
Tonight's Corneo Cup has been a spectacle like no other. And we shared your disappointment, ladies and gentlemen, when we told you that it was coming to an end.
But nobody felt it more keenly than one Don Corneo, who has decided that a bonus match is in order.
Participating in this match will be this evening's leading lights, the dynamic duo that has crushed all competition thus far, Cloud and Aaron!
Look! Look! Over here! Look at them! They're so adorable!
You're the man, Cloud! Aaron, I love you! Marry me!
Their opponent, buried in the bowels of the Coliseum. An unspeakable horror, long in prison, set free tonight for your entertainment!
The secret star of Don Corneo's stellar stable! Enter the Hell House!
Huh?
It's just a house.
That's no ordinary house.
The manifestation of pure evil versus the most badass couple this side of Midgard! Have you ever seen a fight more incredible, more epic? You have not! No sir, you have not! They'll be singing songs about tonight for generations to come!
Keep your eyes glued to the action, ladies and gentlemen!
The Cup's final battle begins now! Oh, the battle! And already I can tell you this bonus match will not disappoint!
This couple has fought the toughest of the tough, the meanest of the mean. The horror of the Hell House!
Rock it down, kids, folks, 'cause this show is only getting started!
It's on now. Here we go.
This one's for
Welcome to First What kind of car
disappointing.
No, not yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is happening?
What the?
Look out!
Sorry.
Showing us its true paint job! How will Harrison down? This is the end!
Here it comes!
Evil!
One more shot!
This haunted house just got a whole
That's it! Sorry. Get him!
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but this is painful to watch! Looks like our couple's in for another round of musical pain! Another barrage of chaos coming in hot, folks! Will this turn the top round is taken? I bet he's not gonna be standing for much longer! Will sheer persistence win the day?
Any last words?
Someone's getting chewed up! But where the hell has she kind enough to spin him back out? A miraculous escape from our courageous contender! Looks we had a pretty wild time in there!
That's it!
Sure she will like a punch, don't they? Oh man! Did anyone get the number of that out?
That's it!
This housewarming party is putting their love to the test! Are they strong enough to pull through?
Won't last long.
Oh, the raging fire of hell leaves nothing but ash and cinder! That's gotta hurt! Aerith gets a double dose of neighborly hatred!
I'll take care of you. That's it! Get him! Gotta dig deep for this one.
Not even so much of a...
Bless them with your love and grace.
A heroic move by Aerith! She provides support for her partner!
Go on!
Savor that healing wind!
No more fighting.
Let it wash over you! Restore you inside and out!
Lend me your strength.
No! Not gonna cut it!
You're out of luck.
Go on! That's it!
The gateway to hell slams shut! Now that has a hurt, folks!
Get him!
Police moves even legal! Now Aerith with a stunning reversal! The hell house is dead in the water!
And catch! This one's for you!
Now that is the price you pay of true love?
Get him!
Where'd these chairs come from? Who do they belong to? Who needs all those chairs? I have so many questions!
Get him!
This is painful to watch!
I'll end this.
Their attacks seem to lack a punch, don't they? Those animals are available at the college gift shop. For friends and family.
Go on!
Available only on the Black Lab Black Bag. What a brutal hit by the Hellhound! There's no way that didn't hurt!
I won't give up.
Left off! We have left off! Ladies and gentlemen, are you seeing this? The world's first flying out! What's this? The old switcheroo? As usual, the Hell House is up for Oh man! Did anyone get the number of that out? Not even so much of a...
Go on!
Whoa! Look at this! A villain from the Substitute Killer is Don Corneo himself.
Let the winds pass you.
A heroic move by Erin as she provides support for her partner. Savor that healing wind. Let it wash over you, restore you inside and out. What is going on in there? Only time will tell, but I'm not sure we want to know. Now that has a hurt, folks! Are these moves even legal?
Going all out.
Well, that's great looking. Survive this onslaught!
We did it!
And the winners and champions, Cloud and Aaron!
Yes! What a finish! Can you believe it? He's amazing!
That boy.
Awfully rare you showing an interest in someone. What will you do?
There you are. I've been looking for you two. So Madam M wanted me to give you a message. She says you guys did pretty damn good, and that you should swing by her shop when you're done here. Got it? I was also hoping you might be interested in a few more matches here at the Coliseum. Big events like the Corneo Cup are pretty sporadic, but there's always action if you want to get a piece.
With these babies, you can send intruders flying. I guarantee this is the only home protection you'll ever need. Only a few left. Get yours while you can.
What a tournament!
Our tickets were worth every last guild.
What a tournament!
Chocobo bean pop.
Madam M's got the murder after it.
I'm here for some good old count time.
It's some rare liquor just because I told you.
You're not allowed to see me at work.
But there's something I want. Maybe I ought to give up. How can you talk? There must be something to do.
It's absolute chaos. It's amazing. We don't have anything like it up on the plate.
No way! You've lost your marbles, man!
My marbles are secure, sir. 'Tis you who are crazy.
Wait, you're...
Not great. There's a new place run by a guy. I may have quit, but look at me.
Just don't forget about the special cheer. The audience is part of the performance. We have to help them make a great show.
I'm so excited to finally see Andrea's show.
Yeah, you and me both.
Thanks for saying that, darling. Gotta keep going. Look at her.
I swear.
Goddamn tourists. Taking over our favorite dive.
Can you believe the boss breathing down our necks like that? It's always quota this or quota that.
The least he can do is give us a raise, am I right? Money.
Oh, this place is full up too.
Maybe I ought to get...
You're here. Good. I have everything I need to get started. Just one thing before we do. You're the Cloud, right? Cloud the Merc. I'm told you did a wonderful job helping the people of Sector 5. You have a very impressive work ethic. It's like they say, good things come to those who work. What goes around comes around, and in ways that might surprise you. I'm gonna put Aerith in the most gorgeous dress you've ever seen. It'll be a real jaw-dropper. All right, now that that's out of the way, once you change, you won't be able to leave town. Are you sure you're ready? All right then, let's get started. Beauty takes a lot of work and preparation. Far more than you'd know. In the meantime, let me think. There ought to be things you can only do without your friend. Now's your chance to get out and have some fun. I can tell you're already beginning to feel at home here. Though being so new to it, I assumed you still wouldn't know how to enjoy yourself properly. So I went and had a chat with Sam. He said he'd be happy to help you out.
Hey, no one asked you to do that.
But there's so much you don't know. This is the perfect opportunity for you to learn the ways of the world and man the hell up. And that's enough of that. Aerith, come with me.
Oh boy, I can't wait to see the dress.
The dress is part of it, sure. But we'll also need to do something about that plain Jane makeup and hairdo. This is gonna take some work.
Ouch. Well, I'll see you later, Cloud.
Peek, and I'll poke out your eyes.
And it all leads back to...
I think this is where they said to be.
Howdy. Madam M said you'd be swinging by. Let me see if I've got this straight. You ditched your lady friend and fellow champion to have a boys' night out in Wall Market? Kidding. If I know the madam, and I do, this was all her idea. I can see why. There's no denying you're skilled with a sword. But when it comes to damn near anything else, well, can't help but have my doubts. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But then there's nothing wrong with expanding your horizons neither. Seeking new experiences. Knowing the ways of this here world will help you to better protect you while you're in it. Reckon I got a few solid gigs for you. What do you say? You game?
Yeah, why not?
That's the spirit. You have yourself a grand time tonight, Mr. Merc.